Hi friends, today I'm gonna show you how to clean the Ruby 2 systems on the screen. How to clean the screen. So you have to exit out first from the CSR function and you log out and you clean the screen with a nice piece of cloth. Don't use anything else to clean it. This system screen is very sensitive. If you use anything else, you can clean when you log out screen, otherwise you make scratch on a screen. And you can exit back in, log back in. And some people have a doubt how to print out the shift reports and monthly reports, and or if you have any kind of doubt, I'll show you how to do it with this video. You go to CSR function, go to print menu. You can print out cash report. You can put cashier close report, close shift report here. From there, or you can print the previous closing report. It shows here. You can choose the date whichever you want to print it out, and you go back to previous menu, the daily close here, and you want to print out the daily close day before. You print the daily report and take the date from here, and you can print that out any date you want to choose previously. Same thing with the print month, print year, print anything else you want it. Payroll report here, cashier worksheet, you can print that out. It's very easy. And you go back to the return sales menu. That's all.